This walkthrough covers how to create email campaign in Omnisend, how to send email in Omnisend, how to build newsletter in Omnisend, and how to create e-commerce email campaign. How to create email campaign in Omnisend, or how to create e-commerce email campaign. Starting campaigns. From here, each email campaign moves through settings, template selection, content editing, audience selection, and review. In campaigns, click Create Campaign. Then, choose Email Campaign. In email settings, add the subject line, pre-header, sender name, campaign name, and verified sender email address. Use the inbox preview to check how the subject line and pre-header appear together. Next, choose a template. Pick one based on the campaign goal, such as welcome and engage, promote products, announce a sale, offer a discount, or other. You can also choose a template based on a theme or a special type, such as holiday and celebration, fashion and lifestyle, and many more. Open the template in the email builder. Add or edit text, buttons, images, social media icons, and discount codes. Click the email background to adjust global email settings like width, background, and button style. Then use Preview and Test to check the desktop and mobile versions before moving to the audience step. How to send email in Omnisend. After the email content is ready, the campaign needs recipients, review, and delivery settings. Click Save and choose Recipients. Choose all email subscribers or select specific segments. Use segments when the campaign is meant for a smaller group, such as recent buyers, engaged contacts, VIP customers, or people who viewed specific products. Only contacts subscribed to the email channel receive the email campaigns. Non-subscribed and unsubscribed contacts are automatically excluded. Next, open the Review step. Check the campaign details, recipient count, subject line, pre-header, sender details, and links. If Omnisend shows a warning, use the Review Issue prompt to locate the problem and fix it. Use Preview and Test before launch. Test sends have limits, so use the Preview option when only a visual check is needed. When everything is ready, choose Send Now or Schedule for Later. Send Now delivers the campaign within a few minutes. Schedule for Later lets you send based on the store or subscriber time zone. For the first campaign or the first campaign after a long pause, Omnisend verifies the send first. During that check, the campaign can appear as paused before the rest of the send continues. How to build newsletter in Omnisend. A newsletter should have a clear structure: header, main section, supporting content, call to action, and the footer. Create an email campaign. Fill in the subject line and pre-header. Then, choose a newsletter style template or use the HTML template to build your own. In the builder, use layouts to create structure. Layouts control sections and columns. Then, add items inside those layouts. Items include text, images, buttons, menus, social media icons, and product-related items. Start with a header that includes the logo and main navigation. Add the lead section next. This can be the main story, offer, update, or featured product. Then, add supporting sections. Use short text blocks, images, and buttons so each section has one clear action. For e-commerce newsletters, add product recommendations or product blocks when the message includes new arrivals, bestsellers, or featured collections. Keep the footer clean and leave the default unsubscribe and preference links in place. Finish by checking desktop and mobile previews. Then, continue to recipients and review. That's the campaign creation flow in Omnisend. Create the email, build the content, choose the audience, review the setup, and send or schedule campaign. And welcome to Omnisend.